good. Nice line. Here we go. 12 foot 8, 12 foot 8, 6,
Cool.
8, something like that.
All right, so we have winch up on the wall. I guess it's kind of self-explanatory.
Nice and roll. Okay, what are we doing here? We're centering up the middle of the log. 6 inches to the middle there. We have our little centering board here that kind of sits on these rails, or at least mimics sitting on the rails, so we can measure one side, go to the other side, quick and dirty, 6 inches to the middle. This side is all upwards of almost 8.5 to the middle, so we'll have to shim that other side up about 1 inch or 1.5 inches. So we're going to do that, and then we'll take another measurement here.
Okay, Mike cut off a couple 1-inch boards from the top. Now these, all the white ash logs we got, we were able to peel the bark off because there was such ash borer damage, so we were able to saw through nice clean wood. We gotta use a little assistance to get it flipped over. Shimmed it up, mostly on the other end naturally. Always centered to the pit. What do you have, Mike?
Right there. Like 18 inches almost.
Yeah, nice.
Pretty wide.
Wide camp in white ash. Mike's cutting 1.5-inch boards.
Okay, we're done sawing for the day. Got the kiln loaded up, probably overloaded. That's all ash. Most of it's 1.5 inches thick. There's some 1-inchers off the top. A couple little thin ones there we saved too, just for the heck of it. But that's all. That's ash all loaded up in here. There's a lot of wood in here. So we're gonna close it up and let the solar kiln do its thing. There you go. 60 and 24% relative humidity, because today is really dry. It's cold out here, but cold and windy. There's Awesome Mike here. He's loading up some firewood.
Yeah, make it tough on yourself.
Loading firewood up.
Making it tough.
There's some slabs left over. Not too bad. There we go. Quick view of the sawmill last. That's it, all quiet now, closing her up. Logs out there staged for another go-round. Those are some big oak logs. 240-year-old tree that was on a neighbor's farm that came down. But they want to make some boards so they can at least make something out of it for the family. The tree died and they didn't want to let it go to waste, so that'll be a future video. Alright, it's enough for today.